Alright, so here's how you do a Weber grill cone style. So first off, cleaning the grill. There's all kinds of fancy items to clean it. This is what I use right here. This is just a spoon. It matches, so when you have built up grease, you could really kind of get in there and kind of scrape things up. Now, what do you clean the grates with? I just use a piece of pallet wood. If you use pallet wood, make sure that it is heat dried or heat treated and it's not chemically treated. Okay, but you can even see the grooves wear out. Works really well. Second thing is, so in my videos I often talk about a vortex. Here's how you do it. So this is just a piece of 8 carton. You don't need any fancy products that you got to buy or anything. Just get a piece of trash. I put it under there. I put this grate right here. Now, here's the vortex. So there is actually a product called Vortex. And bless their hearts, they make a great product from what I've heard. But I just can't justify it because it's just too expensive for me. So I got an $8 bowl, stainless steel bowl. I cut the bottom of it out. And this is it right here. Now when you put it on there, you kind of want to just center it up. It doesn't have to be perfect. But here's the secret. Right here. Okay? I know this sounds crazy, but follow me here. So this is the secret. This piece of PVC pipe when you're using the vortex. A lot of times people will just dump the vortex in there or dump the briquettes in there. But when they do that, they're blocking off the airflow. So what you're going to do, you hold that in the middle. Okay. You put that off to the side. You move the pole, so you hold the bowl, and then you move the pipe, and you kind of give it a little bit of a wiggle. And what you want to do is you want to just pack all these briquettes around. Like so. Okay. Now, so we just got a couple extra. We'll just put that on the side right there. I don't really care too much about them. But what's important is you don't want these briquettes to fall in and block the airflow. Okay, so then this gets picked up, and now we got that nice hole, and that's where all of the air is going to come out through there, and it's going to create like a huge tunnel effect. Okay, so now what we'll do is we just get the lighter. And then the bottom deflectors are all the way open. And I didn't put any oil. Sometimes people will put like oil underneath the grate on the paper that they're burning. Make it burn a little bit longer so it'll act a little bit like a candle. I don't really do that just because I just prefer to keep it simple. So here's the next thing. So to really get the draft going, I have, this is my regular chimney starter. And this one, the body was all corroded, so I just cut the body off and I just reused the handles. You can see I just added my own nuts and bolts. Just got a piece of old sheet metal, and all we're going to do is we're going to place it on top. And what that's doing is that's going to create a draft, and it's really going to suck up the air, and it's going to pull it from the bottom, and it's really going to come out. When you do it like this, these coals are going to be ready probably in about less than 5 minutes or so. Okay, so that's pretty it. So if you're using the Vortex, this is what you got to know. Hope this helps you, and have a great day.